I'm tired. Okay, then you can go on your bed. I'm so ready to go see my room. You're telling me you made a baby room? Yeah, duh, auntie. We have one of us having a baby on the way, and we don't know what you gonna sleep at. Well, I'm gonna sleep in your bed. Okay, that's fine with me, but don't have y'all ratchet looking stuff in my room. What ratchet stuff? Y'all wigs. Your wigs gonna be everywhere, and it's gonna take up my whole room. Girl, you have everything in your room. I don't got nothing. You can move in that apartment that you've been wanting. That apartment is dirty. No one can help you clean it. Anyways, I'm gonna go get my clothes on.
And coming for you like you the worst parent.
Okay, anyways. I got my clothes on. I'm gonna go sleep in your bed. Give me. This girl just fell asleep on my bed. You not supposed to sleep on that. That's the side where Squishy sleeps at. God. Yeah, kids, I think it's time to go to bed. Alright, I'm gonna go to sleep. Let me turn my iPad off. Let's go wake up these kids. Babe, are you sleepwalking? I'm so tired. I know it's the morning time. I'll go wake up these. Hey, wake up, wake up, wake up. Dad, you scared me. Yeah, you scared me. You didn't. You look at it and punch you in the face. Why are you? Okay, why are you starting violence, anyways? Yeah, your mom wants to see you. I think she comes.
Exactly.
Okay, let's go downstairs for graphics. Alright, let's see what we can have for breakfast. Cereal. Okay, so what do y'all want me to make? I know you ain't good at cooking. You can't even make. You can just give me some tofu. Alright. So anyways, what should we do? I'm gonna go get on my iPad. So anyways, bye. What are you watching? What are you watching? You watching some Stranger Things. I'm just gonna go on this little iPad. Alright, let's play this game. Alright. I'm tired. I'm gonna take this iPad. I'm gonna go my work stuff because you know I got work. I'm gonna have some drink, something to drink. Don't drink the chocolate milk. We have 2 chocolate milks. I'm gonna drink 2. Anyways, so bye guys. Bye. Bye. Bye y'all.